Alrighty, so today we're going to be doing a little bit of a video here. As you can tell, there's like a drip right here. I actually just turned off the water, so there's like the remaining drip of the water just coming through and everything. But what we're going to do is we got to get this whole thing off. I did some preliminary work. I had to widen out this circle. There was like a really small circle, so I took a rotary tool like this with a diamond head to be able to just like kind of like get this all around and widen that out. So that's gonna be cool. But next, what we gotta do is this is a very old type of like I guess turner, whatever you want to call these valves. So I need to take it off to replace a rubber little gasket, because literally that's what's making it leak. Is that gasket basically got tightened so much that it tore up on the inside, and now it's an issue. So now that I did some of the preliminary work, we're just gonna see if we can go in here and turn it, because I think I got enough turn that or enough room in here I can actually get a wrench around it. If I can get this on the right setting.
So just a little side note here, why I didn't actually just use a normal plumber's hexagonal wrench is because this is such an old Turner valve thing that basically it's circular, so hexagonal shape does not work on it, but it has two flat sides, like one on top, one on top bottom, and that way you can at least get a wrench around that part and like undo it. So that's why I can't use it. So if you have that kind of an issue where it's like that old type of thing that doesn't have the hexagonal shape, then this is basically how I was able to do it. Just cut the circle and use a couple of wrenches, make sure you get enough leverage to be able to get that turned.
There we go. Leverage, that is how you get it done. Yeah, so that rubber grommet right there. This copper is very worn out. It's like really badly worn out. I just like literally shredded it with my one screwdriver. Stuff that right in there, nice new. And put this back on. We're gonna put a seal on this simply by using some of this stuff. So I think all we need is a seal on this part right here, specifically. That'll help us get a nice tight fit to it. We should probably get some rubber cement on that. Get some of this True Blue rubber cement. So we can get this stuff on here. Put this back together. I think that's where it was originally, so. Alright, I think that's good. Let's go turn on the water and see how it goes. Alright, let's see. Looks like there's no leaking. That's good. That's just the last few drops from previously. If I open it, it works. Let that run for a second. Load it up. And a little more. Yeah, that is a lot better than before, at least. Wait. I think that might just be remnants of stuff coming out. Yeah, it's just remnants of stuff coming out. All right. Yeah. leak's done. Alright, that's how you replace one of those things. I'm gonna go put all the pieces back on and we'll call it good.